iCrimp sent me over 2 different sets of crimping tools. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up and show you what I got here. So DC01 kit. It's a 12-piece terminal service kit. Take a look here. It's pretty cool. It will crimp a lot of these specialty electrical connectors on. Super nice. All the ones that go in your modern plugs. Let's take a look here. So there's 5 crimpers. You put the wire right in here, and let's see if I can show you guys. When you crimp it down, there's 4 teeth that are in there, and it crimps all 4 sides of that wire. Whoop. It crimps 4 sides like so, which is super nice. So there's multiple sizes, so 16, 20, and 12. So the hole's a little bit bigger as it goes up. The quality of these is super nice. The grip feels really good. Spring loaded. You can adjust the settings on the side, and then it also came with 2 crimpers. Put different sizes in there, different gauges, and it'll crimp it down as well. There's a lock mechanism on there. And then there's a couple of these and one of these here. So there's different sizes. So a little bit about this. It's for those terminals here that I was talking about on most modern cars. So this piece here, if you use one of these, you can actually take the wire, you poke it in, this part, into the head, and it will release the connector from inside there. So, which is super nice. My neighbor had his truck and he rewired one of the harnesses and he needed to get one of those out and we didn't have anything to use it with. So this would have worked perfect. Very nice set. So let's take a look at the other set I got with it as well. Put that one away. This one here is it's going to be the IWS-QC Quick Exchange Ratcheting Tool Set. So for solar connectors, non-insulated terminals, open barrel, insulated and non-insulated ferrules. So this set comes with the 2 tools and multiple heads. So you could take off the jaws here, depending on your wire size, and pop out the jaw, put the new jaw in, and so you can use this tool for multiple different connectors if you need them. And then there, so that's what this one here is. Oh, that's nice. Wow. So it actually kind of locks in, so I can't open it now, and you got to press it down and then it'll release. So that way you know there's enough pressure on the crimp. That's really nice. Wow. Cool. And then we have your standard stripping tool, wire stripper. It goes from 10 to 22, and it has a little lock latch there. The grips are very nice quality. It feels very well built, very high end, not cheap at all. And then there's the different jaws I was telling you. You can exchange out and put the different ones in. I guess it would probably go in that way. So this would be the bottom. See if I can figure out how to pop them out. So slides in super simple. Slides out. You want to replace it like so. This one's upside down. It should be at the bottom, but that's okay. So really nice. Super quick to release. Put this one back in. Locks in. It's got the carry-in case is very nice on both of these units. Put all this stuff back. Oh, super nice. Good quality. Does multiple things. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. And if you guys want to check them out, that's cool. Stick that back in here. This very nice case for sure. Locks up. Good to go.